Yan. Ito sa Facebook ng Thinkar Global Post. Yan, Thinkar Global. Auto check, Thinkar, new software release notice. Stay tuned with Thinkar. Yan, Thinkar, new software release notice. Auto check. June 2025. Apply for all 6 inches and above level Think Tools. Pero hanggang ngayon, 2026 na, wala pa din si Auto Check. Ano yan? Scam. 2020, January nila pinost. January 13, 2025. Sabi nila by June 2025. 2026 na, wala pa din. Ano ba mga comment dito? All comment. Walang magandang ano dito. Auto check. Nyek.